Hello, everybody, and welcome to episode 61 of Logo History. Today's episode will be about Datsun, Pledis Entertainment, and Nelvana. So, for Datsun, there's six logos. Let's begin. The first logos from 1931 to 1935. Here we have a red circle, and then we have a blue rounded rectangle with a white outline, and then the text Datsun is in white. Second logo, 1935 to 1965, the text is thinner and different font, and it's a bit simplified. 1965 to 1976, the change here that the white outline looks a bit different, and the text is in a different font. 1976 to 1986, now although the white outline is a bit different again, and then the rounded rectangle becomes square. Fifth logo 2011 but unused now because the circle is changed to a different shape, uh, heptagon shape. And then there's a rounded rectangle in black. There's a text Datsun in black. 2012 to 2022. Over here it's a bit different, but the the rounded hexagon became a circle, and then there's a text Datsun in a different font, and then there is a rounded rectangle. The color of the rounded rectangle is black and blue gradient. Note, let me read. There's a notice. The Datsun brand was resurrected in 2012 for use in emerging markets such as India, Indonesia, Russia, South Africa. In 2020, Nissan had announced plans to end the Datsun brand again in an attempt to cut $2.8 billion in annual costs for the Datsun brand to be continued to use in India until it was discontinued altogether April 2022. Okay, so move on to Pledis Entertainment. There's three logos. Let's begin. First logo 2007 to 2015. Here the text Pledis is in gray and there's a yellow ring, and then there is a gray speech bubble symbol. For the second logo 2015 to 2017, here the text Pledis is in orange and then the text Entertainment is in black. Third logo 2017 to present. Over here, the text Pledis is different, but the letter E, second number 3 flipped. It's a bit simplified, and the text Entertainment is in black, but it's still okay. So now move on to Nelvana. Okay, so Nelvana has um, seven logos. Let's go. The first logo, 1975. Over here, this logo is only appeared on small stars and Miss draws the line. Second logo, 1978 to 2005. Over here, there's a polar bear symbol. Third logo, 1985 to 2003. Here there's yellow stars and then the polar bear is blue and the text Nelvana is in red. The fourth logo, 1995 to 2005, there's a blue polar bear here. Fifth logo, 1995 to 2005. Over here, there's a um, there's a white stars. And there's some blue arc, and then there's the text Nelvana. This is the same text but now in blue. There's polar bear symbol from before. Sixth logo. This one's from 1999 to 2005. Well, over here, this is a bit different, but simplified the text Nelvana's different font. Seventh logo 2004 to 2016 primary, 2016 secondary. Here the polar bear is a bit different, and then the star. There's only one star on the top right next to the polar bear, and the text Nelvana is in different font. The eighth logo 2016 to present. Here the polar bear is again different. The star It's a bit different, but now cyan blue, and the text Nelvana is in a different, but now in lowercase. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So stay tuned for the next episode.